Good morning, students. Today we are again going to continue with the same chapter, that is your chapter number 8, Introduction to Scratch. So in your previous class you have learned about how to move a sprite on the stage. Now we'll learn how we can draw a colorful circle using the sprite. So here we will be using the pen block menu. So the pen block menu is used to draw on the stage. So if you want to draw anything on the stage, you will use this pen block. So they add a piece of sprite that you can draw different figures on the stage. So these blocks can change the color, they can change the size of the drawing. So some commonly used blocks in the pen blocks are pen down. So you can see over here, this is the block that is the pen down. So this block adds a pen to the sprite. As the sprite moves on the stage, it draws a line along with it. Okay, so if you want to draw a line along with the sprite, you can use this pen down block. Next we have set pen size to 1. You can set over here any size, that is the thickness of the pen. So it will set the thickness of the pen to a specific number. Greater the number, greater will be the thickness. Now suppose I'll keep over here 5. So you can edit the portion in the white area. So this is your second block. The third block we will be using is change pen color by 10. So this is your another block. It will change the color of the pen by the specific amount. So when you want to change any color, you will use this particular block in the pens block menu. So come, let us use these blocks to draw a colorful circle. Okay, so first you have to open your Scratch program window and you have to create a new project over here. So you can click on the file and you can click on the new project. So do you want to save it? No, I don't want to save it. Okay, so first I'll go to the pen menu block and you have to drag and drop the blocks to create a script. Now suppose over here in motion, first I want to move it 10 steps. So my sprite will move 10 steps and I want to turn it in 10 degrees, that is clockwise. So let it be 10 degrees. Okay, so this we have learned in your previous classes. Now you have to change the white editable field. You can click on this. You can change any white editable field. Next you have to use the pen block. Over here I will use the pen down. So I'll use the pen down option. And I will choose the change pen color by 10. So I'll let it be 10 itself. And set pen size to 10. Okay, so I'll again change this white area. Click on it and you can write over here 10. Okay, so now you have done this. Now just keep clicking on the script till the sprite draws a colorful circle. So I'll just click on this and you will see as soon as I click on this, the sprite starts moving in a circular manner because I have given it in the clockwise direction. So it will move as well as it moves because of the pen block. It will move in a circular direction. Okay, so this completes a circle. So this is how you can draw a circle using the pen block. Next we'll see how we can make a copy of a sprite. Now suppose you want to make a copy of the sprite. So first let us save this project. So to save this project, you will click on the file option. Click on the file and the menu bar you will click on the save option. Click on the save option and you will see the save project dialog box will appear on your screen. And you can choose any folder, let it be Scratch products. And I'll just type over here circle and any desired location you can select, give it a suitable name and click on the save button. So when I click on the save button, the particular Scratch project will get saved into my computer. Next we'll start making a copy of a sprite. For that I'll click on the new project. So this is my new project. So we will be using stamp block in the pen block menu. I'll just show you the stamp block. So this is the stamp block over here. This block is used to create duplicate copy of the sprite present on the stage. So when you want to create duplicate copies, you can use this stamp block. So now suppose I want to create over here a stamp or duplicate copy of this. So we'll start making our project. First we'll go to the motion. In motion I will choose this blocks, that is move. Let it be 100 steps. I'll click on the 100 steps over here. And in the pen block I will use stamp to create duplicate copy. After 100 step it will create a duplicate copy. Next we'll choose the pen down. Pen down means a pen will be available with the sprite. Wherever the sprite goes, it will draw a line along with it. Next we have change pen color. So we'll choose the change pen color. Let it be by 10. So we will give it as let it be by 20. So I'll just click on this 20 option. And there is another block in motion. If on edge bounce. So whenever the sprite will touch the edges of this stage, it will bounce back. Okay, so I'll just show you. Now click on the script which you have created multiple times to run it, and I'll just going to click over here. So you can see it will create multiple copies of itself. So every time you run your script, you will see it will create multiple copies of it. So this is it, students, how you can make a copy of your sprite. And if you want to change the direction, you can change it in clockwise or in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so again you can save this project. To save this project, I'll click on the save option and I will give it a name as stamp. So let it be a stamp, and choose any particular location where you want to save it, and I'll click on save option. Okay, so this is how you can save your project. So all the Scratch projects are saved with the extension .sb2. Okay, sb2 extension. So there is a keyboard shortcut also. You can use Ctrl+S key combination to save any project. Now suppose you want to open a project. How you can open a project? So to open it, first you have to click and you have to click on the open option. Now which I have already saved. I have saved in my desktops. So I'll just go to my desktop and I'll go to my Scratch projects, and I have saved as circle. So I'll just open this and you will see the particular project will again get opened into my Scratch program. So this is it, students. This completes your chapter number 8. Hope you enjoyed programming in Scratch 2 offline editor. So till then, thank you.